Applications of AI. Healthcare. Diagnosis and treatment. AI systems can analyze medical data to diagnose diseases and recommend treatments. Personalized medicine. Tailoring medical treatments to individual patients using AI algorithms. Finance. Fraud detection. AI algorithms detect unusual patterns and anomalies to prevent fraud. Algorithmic trading, using AI to make high-speed trading decisions. Transportation. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars use AI to navigate and make decisions. Traffic management. AI systems optimize traffic flow and reduce congestion. Customer service. Chatbots. AI-powered chatbots provide instant responses to customer queries. Personalized recommendations. AI systems suggest products and services based on user preferences. Entertainment. Content creation. AI generates music, art, and writing. Personalized streaming. Recommending movies and shows based on user preferences.